Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to switch to a new Apple ID? No worries, I'm here to guide you through the process. Today I will show you how to change the Apple ID on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Then tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID setting. Scroll down to the bottom and tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and tap turn off to disable Find My iPhone. Choose what data you want to keep on your iPhone and then tap sign out again to confirm. After signing out, go back to the main setting menu. Tap sign in to your iPhone at the top of the screen. Enter the new Apple ID and password you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions. Apple may send a verification code to your new email address or trusted phone number. Enter this code on your iPhone to verify your new Apple ID. If prompted, you can choose to merge your existing data on your iPhone with the new Apple ID. And there you have it, guys. You successfully changed your Apple ID on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I will see you next time. Bye.